Introducing Q10 Colour Revive HairMist, a breakthrough in hair rejuvenation. The world's first natural solution to restore your hair's true color. Powered by Coenzyme Q10 and advanced Green Micellar nano-encapsulation technology. As we age, our hair loses more than its color. Oxidative stress and follicle fatigue deplete the pigment cells that give hair its natural tone. Inside every follicle, free radicals attack the cells that produce melanin. Traditional products only mask the symptom. We address the root cause. Coenzyme Q10, the cellular powerhouse. In synergy with creatine, vitamin C and E, and plant polyphenols, it reactivates the follicle's energy system and restores pigment cell vitality. With consistent use, natural pigment tones begin to return, strand by strand. The result? Stronger, shinier, youthful-looking hair, without dyes or harsh chemicals. Q10 Colour Revive HairMist is more than cosmetic. It's functional regeneration. A light, leave-on micellar formula that absorbs instantly, leaving no residue, only performance. Developed by Micellar Labs, pioneers in organic nanocosmeceuticals, biodegradable, preservative-free, the next generation of clean, intelligent beauty.